Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So it's time for the science class children. I'm your teacher Priyanka Rajbhandari. So let us see the day and the date today. Today the day is Saturday and it is 4th of September 2021. So children, in today's class we are going to do chapter 8 body system. Okay, so when we see our body, it looks a normal thing, yes, but our body is made up of different organs. They are working together and it is forming the system. So in this chapter we will learn about different system of our body. So first one, let us see our sense organs. So you know what are sense organs? So the various parts of our body tell us what is happening around us. They are called sense organs. They send messages to the brain and tell us about the world around us. So they are called windows to the outside world. So you can see in the picture, these are the sense organ. Okay, there are some parts of our body that tells us all the information whatever is happening around us, and they send the message to the brain. So brain in return tell us that these things are happening in our surrounding. So you can see eye, tongue, ear, skin and nose. Yes, these are the 5 sense organ. I am repeating it again children. Eyes which help us to see, nose which help us to smell, tongue which help us to taste, skin which helps us to feel, and ear which help us to hear. These are the sense organ. Okay, so children, what would happen if we did not have any sense organ? What would happen if there was no sense organ? So if you look at Dinky and her classmates, you will find that they all look different. The color of their eyes, shape of the nose, type of hair and the color of the skin all differ greatly, but all the parts inside their body are the same. So children, Dinky and her classmates, yes, they look different. Different people around us, they look different, but the color the color of their eyes may vary, nose, type of hair, but all the parts inside the body are same. We all have same types of parts inside our body, and all our parts have same function. Yes, all of us see with our eyes, all of us smell with our nose. So all the body parts have their own function. Now children, let us learn about body system. So the human body is a wonderful combination of many systems. They work together, help us to grow, move and repair the parts that have been damaged. So children, I have already told you that our body system, it is a wonderful combination of many systems. Okay, many organs and many systems, they work together and they help us to grow, they help us to move, and they even help us to repair the parts that have been damaged. Yes, so you can see skeletal system, muscular system, cardiovascular system, nervous system, and one more system is there, excretory system, which we will learn in this class. So these all are different systems which forms our full body. So let us see and let us learn about this system one by one children. A system is made of many organs connected together to form a special function. Our body can move, bend, stretch or lift things and do many other jobs. Our body can also understand and observe the changes taking place around us. So children, system, it is made up of many organs which are connected together and which form a special function. So our body can move, they can bend, they can stretch or lift things, and they also can do many jobs. Our body can also understand and observe the changes taking place around us. So our body, they can also understand whatever we observe, and whatever changes is taking place around us, we can understand. That means we can feel it. Our body carries out different types of jobs to keep us alive and healthy. They are done by the different system that is present in our body. So the first type of system, children, we are going to learn is the skeletal system. So you can see the image that the skeletal system is made up of many bones. Yes, the bones together forms the skeletal system. So let us learn more about skeletal system, children. The skeletal system is made up of bones that are joined together to form a framework known as the skeleton. So this system is made up of bones which are joined together and form the network or framework known as the skeleton. The skeletal system, the function of skeletal system is it gives shape and it supports the body. Whatever shape of our body is, it is given by skeletal system, and it protects the delicate organs inside. Yes, children, we have many organs inside our body. So the skeletal system protects these organs inside our body. Now, bones are the hard and strong parts of your body. Without bones, your body would be just like a blob of jelly. The skeleton has one more work to do. It protects the very delicate parts inside your body, such as brain, heart and lungs. So we know that bones are very strong, children. Without bones, we will look like jelly. Okay, you have seen jelly, yes? So without bones, we will look like jelly. So bones, they provide the framework of our body, and the skeleton has more work to do, like they protect the very delicate parts inside of our body, like brain, heart and lungs. There are 206 bones in adult, but we are born with 350 bones. Some bones join together as we grow. So we know that altogether an adult has 206 bones, but we were born with 350 bones. Okay, so some bones join together as we grow. So children, next type of system we will learn is a muscular system. You can see the picture. Muscular system is made up of, it is a combination of different muscles. Different muscles together form muscular system. So children, the system that helps us in the movement of inner and outer organs of our body is the muscular system. You can see the picture. Muscular system and skeletal system, they work together, and muscular system helps the movement of inner and outer organs of our body. Okay, it helps in the movement. So it not only helps the movement of outer organs, but it also helps in the movement of inner organs. So the bones are joined to the muscles. I have already told that the bones and muscles work together. So the bones are joined to the muscles. Muscles, they have stretchy bands and they work together to help us move. Our heart keeps beating and the food we eat moves through our body because of the muscle. So we know that our heart is continuously beating. Yes, if it stops beating, we will die. So our heart that keeps beating because of the muscles, and our food goes inside our body because of the muscles only. Our eyes too can move because there are some very delicate muscles which help them to do so. Our facial expressions are also caused by muscles. So our eyes, children, they also can move we can move our eyes because of the muscles only, and our facial expression, like we laugh, we smile, we give different expression, that is also caused by the muscle. Now next, children, what is this? This is another type of system, that is digestive system. So let us learn about digestive system now. So the digestive system, the food that we eat cannot be used by our body as it is Our body changes the food into simple substances. The process by which food is broken down to simple form is called digestion. Many organs are joined together to form the digestive system. So children, the food that we eat, we know that we get energy from the food, yes, but that cannot be directly used. Yes, our body change this food into simple substance, and the process of breaking down of this food into simple form is called digestion. Many organs are joined together to form digestive system. So there are so many organs in the digestive system. Also you can see that pharynx is there, esophagus, that is also known as food pipe, stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine. Yes, the food passes from mouth, yes, it goes to the food pipe, then after stomach, then after small intestine, then after large intestine, and finally it gets eliminated from the body. So this is known as digestive system. So many organs are related in the digestive system. So digestive system, it breaks down food into simple substance, so absorb simple substance into the blood so that they can be used by the body. So digestive system, whatever we eat, it turns the food into simple substances which can be absorbed by the blood to give us energy. Okay, so children, whenever we eat food, it cannot be directly utilized by the body. So the food has to be absorbed in the blood when it turns into simple substances. So the digestive system does that. Now the food enters our body through mouth where our teeth chew it. The chewed food moves down to the stomach through the food pipe, or it is also known as esophagus. You can see in the picture, the stomach is a back structure made of muscles. Here the stomach releases digestive juices which help in the part of digestion of the food. The partly digested food now goes into the small intestine. So the children, the chewed food is carried down to the stomach through the food pipe. In stomach, the food is partly digested, means it is half broken down. Okay, now the partly digested food goes to the small intestine where it is completely digested. Now further digestion takes place and the food is absorbed by the blood. In the small intestine, you can see further digestion takes place and it is absorbed by the blood. The part which cannot be digested passes into the large intestine. The residue, okay, the thing which our body can't digest, it will go to the large intestine, and the leftover part which cannot be used by our body is thrown through the anus as feces. So children, whatever is left out, our body throws it out. Okay, leftover food which we cannot digest, our body throws it out through the anus or as feces. Feces means stools. Okay, so you can see the picture. I am again telling, the chewed food is carried to the stomach by the esophagus or food pipe. There the food is partly digested. After that, the food moves to small intestine where it is digested again and it is absorbed by the blood. Now the undigested food will move to the large intestine and leftover part will be thrown out of our body through the anus. Now children, next type of system is circulatory system. We have already told that inside our body there are so many organs, of which heart is the most important organ. Yes, we have learned about the absorption of food. Not only heart comes in the circulatory system, but the blood vessels, blood, this all comes under circulatory system. So you know that the digested food is absorbed by the blood and passed through the organs of the body. The system that supplies food and oxygen to the whole body through a network of tubes called blood vessels is the circulatory system. The heart helps to pump blood to all parts of the body. This system also brings back waste from different parts of the body. So children, circulatory system, what it does, it will pass that we have learned that digested food is absorbed by the blood. Now that digested food is required to all organs of the body. Yes, it is required by all the organs of our body. So circulatory system supplies this food and oxygen to the whole part of the body through the blood vessels. Okay, so this is circulatory system, and the heart that will pump blood to all part of the body, and whatever waste is there, like when we breathe in, breathe out, yes, at that time oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out, yes, at that time. So that waste product, this also it will bring back by the circulatory system only from different parts of body. Now, what is the function of circulatory system? It carries food, oxygen and water to all parts of the body. So carries waste material from different parts of the body also. So children, heart is one of the most important part because it pumps the blood throughout our body. So it carries food, oxygen and water to all parts of the body, and it also carries waste material from different parts of the body. So children, hope you are clear to you all. We have done the system, digestive system, circulatory system, muscular system and skeleton system today. In the next class we will learn about more. We will learn more about this more other systems of our body. So hope you have got some ideas regarding the system of our body and organs of our body and their function. So butterflies, this is a fact for the day, children. Butterflies can taste with their feet. So this is the fact, children, that we can taste with our tongue. Tongue is our sense organ. Yes, in the same way butterfly can taste with their feet. So I will see you in the next class, children. Hope you all enjoyed the science class. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep studying.